Hey, good Wednesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather Update for this July the 31st, 2013. Rain showers going to be on the increase as we head through the overnight hours tonight and into tomorrow as well. And we're talking about a little bit more rain as we go into the next couple of days. Could be a wet period for us as we head into, say, this weekend, portions of this weekend, and into next week as well. Let's get you caught up on what's going on across the area now and look ahead towards next week. Here's a look at the live Viper 9 this afternoon. What you're seeing over towards Hatteras is false return. That's actually looking up far into the atmosphere. We're getting the radar data this afternoon from the Raleigh radar site, getting an update there as the sweep's going around. But the stuff out towards Hatteras, false return. It's actually so far in the atmosphere at that point. It's about say about 8,000 feet up into the atmosphere, scanning the clouds actually. It's not actually scanning any rain, it's scanning the clouds, the moisture within the clouds. But there is some showers falling into northern portions of Franklin County, just north of Lewisburg this afternoon. And a few little rain echoes just north of Nashville, out towards, say, Dorches and Red Oak. But most of us dry this afternoon across eastern North Carolina. We're not expecting a whole lot of rain through this afternoon for most of us. There's going to be a chance through this afternoon for the extreme northwestern portions of the viewing area. Here's a look at the wide view, and weak high pressure on top of us right now, but just high and mid-level clouds, some of them starting to break up at times. So you will see a mixture of sun and clouds through this afternoon. Frontal boundary back off to the west. That's going to start to slowly make its way into our neck of the woods going into this evening and going into tonight. That's going to bring up rain chances for us as we go into the overnight hours tonight and going into tomorrow as well. It's still quite warm out there. We've got temperatures up around the mid-80s across a good portion of eastern North Carolina today. We got 86 in Greenville currently, 84 currently for Washington, 84 for New Bern. Here's a look at the precision forecast model, take you through this evening. 7 o'clock, we got some showers and thunderstorms on the possibly on the radar, and even going through tonight, there's still going to be that chance. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning. We wake up low 70s. And mostly cloudy skies, if not completely cloudy tomorrow. I don't think that you see very much in the way of sunshine by tomorrow afternoon with that deep southwesterly flow running with that surface flow coming out of the southwest, and then you've got the northerly flow coming out of the in the upper atmosphere. It's all going to collide, and basically you'll get a smattering of showers and thunderstorms, and some of them will be heavy, but you see the temperatures. The temperatures aren't doing very much. I think tomorrow may be one of those days that we don't get out very far out of the 70s. I think maybe around 78 to about 83 degrees is where we're going to top out tomorrow across a good portion of eastern North Carolina. Here's to look at the upper air pattern for tomorrow, and you see that the trough digging in here fairly deep. 588 line, well south of us, got the 586 line through southeast portions of North Carolina, and the 582 line just to the north. So we're going to be sandwiched at some low heights tomorrow, and that's going to also help with the clouds and the rain showers to keep temperatures down. The parent low pressure system well up to the north, and the cold front, tendent cold front, stretching right through here. Not going to do very much as far as severe weather is concerned. I think this is going to be a heavy rainmaker, more so than anything for us as we head through Thursday. By Friday, the trough lifts out of the area, and we're starting to dry out, but there's going to be a little trailing energy still left over for Friday afternoon. That can spark up a few showers right along the coast. I think the best chance of rain will likely be coastal areas for Friday at about a 20 to 30% chance. I think area-wide, about a 20 to 30% chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm. Coastal areas may stay a little wetter through Friday, though. So be prepared if you do have plans to head down to the beach on, say, Friday. I would say be ready for showers and thunderstorms at any time, especially with the trailing piece of energy, and on top of that, the sea breeze interaction with that. It could spark up a few showers and thunderstorms going through Friday afternoon. Here's a look on Saturday. Next piece of energy rolling through the mountains at that point with the attendant shortwave. Underneath that, a few showers and thunderstorms will be able to crop up. Temperatures will be able to top back out near 90. We'll call it about a 30% shot of seeing a shower or thunderstorm come Saturday afternoon. Here we go on Sunday now. Sunday's going to be an interesting day, how that's going to all play out as far as temperatures are concerned and the cloud coverage. Right now, it's a very interesting thing. You've got a deep, strong trough, northwesterly flow at the surface. We've got southerly flow. That's going to pump up the moisture once again. And for portions of us, of eastern North Carolina on Sunday, it's going to be downright wet. It will depend on where you are come Sunday. Some of us may stay completely dry, while others are wet all day. I've got a 40% shot for seeing a shower or thunderstorm, and temperatures are going to vary, I think, a good bit on Sunday. Right now, I've got 89 on the boards, but it could very well be 82, 83 degrees for coastal areas come Sunday afternoon because of the rain shower activity down that way. Some trailing energy on Monday, but I think most of us will stay fairly dry come Monday afternoon, but the heights are still low, so that's going to keep us a little bit cooler. A little weak high pressure builds in here going in towards Monday afternoon. Like I said, most of us will be dry, if not all of us will be dry on Monday, and with the thicknesses and the heights being a little lower, that's going to keep temperatures down a little bit as well. Still with northwest flow aloft now, the GFS painting some showers and thunderstorms moving in here late on Monday into Tuesday as that high pressure ridge builds off towards the east a little bit further. That was on the 0Z run now. The 12Z run a little bit further in line with the European model, bringing rain shower chances back in for Tuesday. So we'll likely increase the rain chance for Tuesday afternoon rather than late on Monday. It's a little bit better in line with the European model on this new run of the GFS. Here we go on Wednesday, nearly zonal flow across us. Little short waves of energy pushing across though. That'll crop up some showers and thunderstorms at about a 20 to 30% chance with those little short waves, little kinks in the flow going through Wednesday. And at the end of the forecast period, here's the next wave of showers and thunderstorms for us going towards Thursday morning rather. Down at the surface, here's the frontal boundary, and it's starting to move its way through the area. We're dry for the most part, but by the afternoon hours, that's when we're going to see the better chance for seeing some showers and thunderstorms. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast in a nutshell. 82 tomorrow. That's why I'm saying tomorrow's going to be a cooler day just because of the heights being down, and also the fact that we're going to have an abundant amount of cloud cover. Now, and also the rain shower activity. We may go full with showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. It just looks like that may be the issue. But I think more so a rain event, more so than a thunderstorm event. Going in towards Friday, 87 the high temperature, 89 for both Saturday and Sunday. Once again, Sunday's going to be an interesting day of how that all plays out. Coastal areas may be a lot cooler than inland areas depending on how much cloud cover and how much rainfall. We may have to tweak the numbers there once again. And as we head towards the next Monday and Tuesday, better rain chance moves in here as we head towards Tuesday. Once again, we'll do some tweaking there with the numbers. 85 both those days, 89 as we head towards Wednesday ahead of the next frontal boundary that moves in here by Thursday. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can always stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. The next update here by tomorrow afternoon. And you can always check in with us on the television side as well. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer will be in tonight for 5, 5:30, 6, 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Have a great day and a great weather week.